Have you watched the Hollywood movie The Matrix? It is a science fiction action movie that was released in 1999. If you have not watched it, I suggest that you watch it, because this movie will give you an urge to learn more about what we are going to discuss in this week. If you have watched it and if you are wondering what the movie has got to do with this course, be prepared to be surprised. In this video, you will learn something about matrix and how a matrix works in the world we live in. Check this out. The matrix is everywhere, in every breath we take. It is a system where something originates and develops. Matrix is a Latin word for mother that was later generalized to mean the womb. There are numerous applications of matrix. In biology, you must have learned about cells and tissues in the human body. The extracellular matrix determines how a tissue looks like. In geology, matrices are used to explain masses of rocks such as sedimentary rocks. In geography, matrices are used in remote sensing or to study seismic waves. Recently, in December 2017, a research paper was published in which the matrix method was used in imaging a volcano in Antarctica. Matrix may be used in every branch of physics, including optics and quantum physics. In computer graphics, matrices are used to create pictures and movies. In literature, matrix may be used to represent a system of lines and roads that cross each other. In economics, matrix may be used to study and analyze economic systems. Let us now understand the structure of a matrix with particular reference to economics. Matrix is defined as an array of numbers, symbols, or parameters that are arranged in rows and columns. It is a system where information is stored. Generally, a matrix is written within a pair of second brackets, parentheses, or double lines. Suppose that you have three different types of products with you: bracelets, necklaces, and bangles. You distribute these products among three of your friends. Friend 1 gets 4 bracelets, 1 necklace, and 10 bangles. Friend 2 gets 2 bracelets, 3 necklaces, and 5 bangles. Friend 3 gets 6 bracelets, no necklace, and no bangles. Let us try to arrange this information. Now, this looks like some kind of a shorthand. Let us see if this carry any meaning. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose the first row represents friend 1, second row represents friend 2, and third row represents friend 3. Also suppose the first column represents bracelets, second column represents necklaces, and third column represents bangles. Now the numbers arranged in rows and columns explains exactly the distribution of bracelets, necklaces, and bangles among your 3 friends. The numbers in row 1 denotes the number of bracelets, necklaces, and bangles that goes to friend 1. The numbers in the second row denotes the number of bracelets, necklace, and bangles that goes to friend 2. And the numbers in row 3 denotes the number of bracelets, necklace, and bangles that goes to friend 3. In mathematical language, this information may be written like this. The letter Z is used to name the matrix. The order or dimension of the matrix is denoted by the product of the number of rows and columns. The numbers are the elements of the matrix and may be denoted as Z suffix ij, where I represents the element in the ith row and the jth column. If we give names to the bracelets, necklaces, bangles as A, B and C, and for friend 1, friend 2 and friend 3 as L, M and N, then we can draw the different connections between these variables and arrive at a figure like this one, where A is connected to L, M and N, B is connected to L and M, C is connected to L and M. You can also see that there is no direct connection between A, B and C, and there is no direct connection between L, M and N. Thus, the raw data could be arranged and organized into something visual and beautiful without the use of statements. That was appealing to the eye, isn't it? What you have just seen was an example with only 3 rows and 3 columns. Try to imagine a structure with a higher number of rows and columns. When I was in a school or in college and I studied about matrices, I did not have any idea that matrices would look so beautiful. But now that I know, I could not resist from sharing it with you. Hope you liked it. Thanks for your patience.